Have you heard of the hidden skin type? You've heard of dry skin, oily skin, and combination skin, but have you heard of dehydrated skin? Well, today we're going to dive deep in another skincare guide all about dehydrated skin. So give this video a big thumbs up and maybe you'll find out if you've got dehydrated skin too. So what is dehydrated skin? Dehydrated skin is skin that lacks moisture, skin that lacks water. Dehydrated skin is very oily at the surface of the skin, but underneath it is dry and tight and uncomfortable. So you have to deal with dryness and also oiliness. And all of the dry, dead skin cells and all of the oil can actually create a slurry on your face, and it can cause a lot of problems with clogged pores and acne. When you have all of this oil and dead skin cells on your skin, they are blocking your skin from receiving hydration that it desperately needs from its skincare products. So the first thing that you need to do when you have dehydrated skin is make sure that you are incorporating chemical exfoliation into your routine. Now for the dehydrated skin types, we need to combat oil. So we need to use BHA type chemical exfoliants to combat the oil. This is going to help go down deep into the pores, release the oil, the dirt, all the clogs, and really just allow them to release. But we also need to focus on the surface level of the skin to get rid of those dead skin cells, the flaky skin, and the texture issues. So this is where AHA chemical exfoliation is going to come in. AHA's work at the surface to deal with texture issues and dry skin. So you do need to have both a combination of BHA and AHA chemical exfoliants in your routine. And if you want to learn more about chemical exfoliation, I've got a video for you right there. Now that the shell is out of the way, you can really focus on giving your skin the hydration that it needs. And we're going to achieve this in a lot of light layers. Now, you want to focus on steps like toners, essences, first essences, skins. These are going to be really watery type products that are going to give you a lot of hydration into the deepest layers of your skin. You may find that you're going to have to repeat some of these steps quite a bit. You may have to do quite a few layers of toner, quite a few layers of your essences, and that's absolutely fine. Think of your skin as being thirsty AF. It cannot get enough. So honestly, just keep giving yourself light hydrating layers until your skin feels like it's happy and it's satisfied. So you want to look for ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, snail, aloe, propolis. These are going to be ingredients that are going to deliver a lot of hydration deep into the layers of your skin without overloading it or making them feel heavy. Speaking of heavy, you want to stay away from heavy, rich creams, oils, any type of step that's going to be very rich like that, because it really ends up overloading your skin, and in a way it sort of suffocates your skin from receiving the type of hydration you need. Oils, heavy creams, these are types of products that are great for dry skin, but we're not dealing with dry skin, we're really dealing with dehydrated skin. So there's a big question in the dehydrated skincare community, and that's, should you use a moisturizer or not? Well, I honestly think the answer to that is you do you. Whatever feels best for your skin, that's what you should be doing. Listen to your intuition. You know best for your skin. Now, some people say you shouldn't use a moisturizer because it really does sort of seal your skin off from receiving hydration. And that's going to be occlusive creams, heavy rich creams, oil-based creams. Anything that sort of seals your skin off is really going to be a no-go. However, there's all types of creams on the market now that are humectants, which means that they pull hydration into your skin. So these are going to be products like Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream, Hada Labo Gokujun Hyaluronic Cream. These are all humectants that pull moisture into your skin. A lot of lighter sleeping packs are also going to be classified as humectants, which are going to pull a lot of moisture to your skin, like the Laneige Waterful Sleeping Pack, as well as the Etude House Bubble Tea Sleeping Pack. Something that has helped me manage my dehydrated skin has been sticking to low pH cleansers. I've actually made a skincare guide all about low pH in skincare, which I will link to you guys right up here if you want to check that out. But the quick nitty gritty on this one is low pH cleansers don't strip the skin, so it really helps me maintain my moisture barrier, and it really keeps my dehydrated skin from tail spinning out of control into a really irritated zone. So I've linked a ton of products that I recommend for dehydrated skin types in the info box below, so don't forget to check that out. Dehydrated skin can be so confusing. You're both oily and dry at the same time. Like, how do you even go about treating that? So I hope that this video really helped give you some clarity on dehydrated skin and what you can do to get your skin back into shape. So let me know in the comment box below, what is your skin type? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell if you haven't already, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.